Even after all these years, I still enjoy being on the sales floor and talking to customers and listening to their feedback and their experience while they're here at Portland Mattress Makers. And one of the things that customers are so surprised about is that we really do make our mattresses here. We are truly a mattress factory. Our factory is attached to our Biddeford showroom in Biddeford, Maine, and we make every single mattress that we sell. Customers are also very surprised that when they buy a mattress from us, we're not just taking it from the warehouse and delivering it to them. We'll set up a delivery time, and literally the day before we deliver the mattress, we'll make that mattress for them. The factory guys will put their name on it, and that is their mattress. And it's understandable why customers are confused. There are certain furniture companies out there that are confusing them. And part of the confusion is what we call in the industry white labeling. That's when a company, like a furniture store, will buy a mattress from a factory. The factory will put their label on it, which makes people think, oh, they must have their own factory and they're making their own mattresses. But that's not the case. And what they're doing really is still playing the part of the middleman. They're buying a mattress from another factory and then marking it up again. As a true factory direct, we cut out the middleman, so you'll get a better quality mattress at a lower price, and it's made just for you. And that means a lot, more than just, oh, we made your mattress for you. This is who we are as a company. And because we build every mattress we sell, we're not afraid to stand behind them. We take pride in everything we do and how we build mattresses and the quality materials, and we stand behind them because of that. We have a great video on our website which follows real customers through their buying process, through the process of their mattress being made, right through delivery, giving their honest opinion. It's on our website. I encourage you to check it out.